Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts in Wix at 2026. So at first you will need to prepare your fonts file. The Wix supports the .ttf, TrueType font, .otf, OpenType font, .woff, web open font format. So keep the file size small, less than 5 megabytes for faster loading, and make sure you have commercial license price for the font. Okay, so after that you will need to open the custom font settings, and to do that you will need to log in to Wix if you already have an account, of course. If not, you will need to sign up, and after that just open your site. So you'll need to go with my site option next to the Wix logo, as you can see, and then just go and click or select that specific site, right? So as you can see, I click that. We wait a few moments or a few seconds, and then just go and click on design site. The options is located on the top right of the page, so just click it, and there you go. So right now we are being forwarded into the Wix website editor. Also, we'll need to wait a few moments until it's load, and after that just go with the site's design on the left hand menu, click it, and after that just go and select a text element, any one, paragraph, a font, a heading font, and then just go with upload font. Okay, so right here you will need to upload it, so we all need to go with upload font, and then just select your .ttf, .otf, or .woff file, and give your font a custom name. That's optional. Then just click on upload, so your font will appear in the font list for all text elements. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.